Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit landscapes in Picsart. So to do that, open Picsart. But before you open Picsart, I would advise you to come to Google Chrome and download a landscape of your choice. So I downloaded this landscape over here, the Forest Road landscape. So as you can see, it's in my downloads over here. Okay, so that's my landscape. Okay, so after that, I go back to my Picsart, then tap on this plus icon. That means we are going to edit. So I will basically import this landscape that I downloaded, this one here of the forest road. So basically I can come to effects, then I add an effect I want. Okay, if I want, I can add the noise effect. If I want, I can add the focal blur effect or radical blur effect. Okay, so that's how basically you can edit landscape using Picsart. I'm doing it manually. Download your own landscape, then after downloading it, please import it in Picsart. Then it will be easy for you to edit it. So thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.